think I know what's that.
Really?
Yes.
He means that he wants bigger. And he's trying to... Did you understand? Did you understand?
To make them bigger. It's to clean the...
What?
Okay, you want to try it?
What? Try what?
Not now, we just asked to put water in it. Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
That's actually the use of it. You put water in it and you clean your...
It is working. You can clean your house, you can clean your car, you can clean everything.
Yes, like that.
Okay, and...
When you push... Oh, I know.
Really?
Yes.
What is it?
It's for down there. I'm pretty sure I can use that somewhere. Do you want me to try? Now?
Not now.
Not now?
Maybe
Okay.
later.
So what can I do with that? For your hands, or your body. Down there, you like it.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay, so you see I start there,
Oh.
and then I go down, and...
It's like a heart.
That's a heart.
But is it for Christmas?
I think it's for Christmas tree.
This is not for clothes.
For the VJ.
A Christmas tree for the VJ? I just have an idea.
Yes, that's not good.
Some women,
Yes,
they are using things for the VJ
yes.
to shave the same, you know,
the same
like
shape. So on Valentine Day, you want to have a VJ like a Christmas
tree.
That's really nice.
Yeah, totally logic.
It's a kitty carpet.
Yeah.
You puff. So a kitty carpet to play with your VJ. Pretty sure it's to pee. No?
Well, it's plastic or maybe silicone.
You can extend it.
I have a big one in this one. Hello, Madonna. Maybe the small is for behind. And we need help.
Yeah.
This is nothing sexual.
Oh, this is a funnel. You know, I use funnel all the time.
Yeah, but normally when you put when you have spaghetti, you put spaghetti on it.
What spaghetti?
Spaghetti to how do you say that?
This is a funnel. This is not for spaghetti.
Ah, okay. Me, I know. Try to find.
I know what it is because I was watching a Netflix series.
Which series? I want to know which one.
That's amazing. So some men,
Yes, they use it.
they use it. You can put inside if you want to.
What do you put inside?
You put inside your inside
thing?
Yeah, your thing.
Yes.
Yes, you put it inside, and then you do like that,
Yes. What does it do?
and it become bigger.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you say it's really nice. Krista say it's really, really nice.
I never said that.
She said that. She said it was really nice.
That's amazing. Really?
Yes, that's what you said.
Well, I don't know if this is nice. So you don't need it.
No. It's never gonna enter in.
Let's try.
Let's try. I don't think it's gonna enter. It's too big.
This is already ready.
That's already too big.
Yeah.
You put it in.
I think it doesn't work.
No, it's not working. What a pity! I wanted to try to see it.
He don't like banana.
Yes, I'm gonna try. Thank you.
If it's for down there,
No, because it's gonna hurt.
of
See,
course,
put-
yeah, you're
put your finger
right.
there. So nothing really sexual. No. Okay.
Oh, it's very easy.
Really?
Of course.
For what it is?
I have no idea.
So it's for the kitchen.
It's for the kitchen.
So it should be here.
Okay, do it.
It's to make a hat on the egg.
Yeah. Now we can play with the egg. Okay, this is for down there.
Yes, definitely. You put it in, you put it out. You put it in, you put it out. So it's actually not for the normal down there. It's for the other down there.
Oh.
See, the design is pretty cute, and it goes from small to bigger. Well, I think I'm gonna call it the backdoor beads. You see?
Oh.
He doesn't like it at all.
Do you feel something?
No,
No. Okay.
I think it's for wine.
Of course it is for wine.
Yeah.
I have the same.
Really?
But I didn't think about it.
You see, she has a dirty mind, as I said.
Well, you put it on the wine.
Yes.
And you do like that because of the air.
Yeah.
So you can keep the wine more fresh.
Yes.
This is good. Wine, air, remover.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
This is Krista.
This is Lauriane.
Thanks for watching us.
See you next time.
Yes, bye-bye.
Bye.
I've never seen these gadgets before. Want more? Then watch this video where we test some very weird gadgets.